Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. iPhone 17 series launches in just a few days. Here's what could be coming with the iPhone 17 Pro to get you excited. Today, Apple officially announced the date of its traditional annual fall event, dedicated to the release of new devices. Here are the top 5 potential upgrades that you should be excited for iPhone 17 Pro Max and official launch event details. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Today, Apple officially announced the date of its traditional annual fall event, dedicated to the release of new devices. The presentation will take place on Tuesday, September 9th, at the Apple Park campus in Cupertino. The company will present the iPhone 17 lineup, including the ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air, along with the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. The presentation of new Apple Watch models is also expected. The iPhone 17 Pro models are expected to feature a new, more durable aluminum frame design, as well as an updated rear camera module. All iPhone 17 models will get updated A19 or A19 Pro processors, and promotion technology may become standard across the lineup. The iPhone 17 Air will be Apple's thinnest and lightest iPhone to date, replacing the iPhone Plus. It is expected to feature a 6.6-inch display, Apple's C1 modem, and a single-lens rear camera. Apple will also unveil the Apple Watch Series 11, Apple Watch Ultra 3, and Apple Watch SE 3, updating all Apple Watch models at once for the first time in 3 years. Other upcoming devices include the redesigned AirPods Pro 3, a new HomePod Mini, and an updated Apple TV 4K. In addition to unveiling new smartphones and other gadgets, Apple will announce launch dates for iOS 26, iPadOS 26, macOS Tahoe, and other future software releases. The live broadcast of Apple's fall event will be available on the company's website, official YouTube channel, and through the Apple TV app. Here are the top 5 best new exciting upgrades that you are excited for. Number 1, new orange colorway. Industry insiders are saying that the orange color could symbolize the new iPhone 17 Pro colorway, which is expected to be orange. This would be a big shift compared to the past few generations. Number 2, a better telephoto camera. The iPhone 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max could bring optical quality zoom up to 8x, and considering a new telephoto lens, it should spark excitement in Apple fans' hearts. Number 3, new design language. The iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max could feature a revamped design, especially when it comes to the camera module. This will give users a fresh experience. Number 4, the next big Pro camera feature. All eyes are on the next big Pro camera feature that Apple could bring with the iPhone 17 Pro. Reports suggest that this could be in the form of a new Pro camera app, which Apple could debut with the iPhone 17 series for the Pro models, making it easier to capture photos and videos in manual settings. Number 5, more RAM, more faster. All iPhone 17 series models are expected to feature 12 GB of RAM, and this is expected to boost performance in terms of artificial intelligence. Also, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could indeed feature a larger battery. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.